welcome back to the kitchen. I'm your kitchen beautician, Robin McDonald. Today's video is how to soak in a sea salt bath for swollen ankles. Now, swollen ankles can be the result of many things: allergies, pregnancy, inactivity, stress. And if you're not lucky enough to live near the ocean like we do here in beautiful Santa Monica, California, where you can go for a little paddle in the salt water to relieve a swollen foot, this is a beautiful recipe that you can whip up in your own kitchen with a little effort and a little time. Now, the first thing you're going to need is a nice big bowl, big enough to put your feet in, so that you'll be able to flex your ankles and rotate your feet a little bit to get the blood circulating. Make sure the water is not hot. You just want it to be nice and warm. You're going to take a full cup of sea salts. Pick this up at the grocery store for a couple of bucks. And I like to put in a full cup of rubbing alcohol. Rubbing alcohol constricts the blood vessels and pushes the swelling down and helps to relieve inflammation and pain in the joints. And take your trusty whisk if you have one. Who needs a blender when you have a good whisk lying around? Now, I like to add a little aromatherapy to this. And I'm using a couple of buds of fresh lavender. And you don't have to kill it, just kind of smush it down a little bit to release the essential oils. Lavender has been used for hundreds of years as, it's not just a relaxing aromatherapy, but an antifungal. It also helps with rapid healing of cuts and scrapes and bruises and any blisters you might have on your feet. So just smash this down. You can take any herb that you like that speaks to your sensibilities, by the way. And, just a glass bowl and an back of an ice cream ladle will do this as well. And throw that in there. Now, you're going to want to soak in this for, 10, 20 minutes. I know the water's going to get a little tepid. When you're done, but you're going to be amazed at how the swelling in your feet has gone down after just taking the time and, as I said, a little bit of effort to create this fantastic recipe, this remedy for swollen ankles right in your own kitchen. And I always say, there's no place like home. Thanks for visiting me in the kitchen. I'll see you next time. I'm Robin McDonald, your kitchen beautician. I'm at beautyhighway.com, so visit me. Bye.